People normally say that the Nyamindi's riverbed has been cemented by God. Looks like concrete. Well, should you believe otherwise? That's up to you. These makeshift culverts have been made right at my most favorite river crossing on the river Nyamindi, down in South Kirinyaga, or rather Kirinyaga South, in a place called South Ngariama. Some few months back, it's in this same spot where I did several river crossings a year later. But now they've made this makeshift bridge because there is a bigger bridge being constructed right there. Because there is a tarmac road that's being constructed from South Ngariama to Kiombo. This means for me, my adventures are being encroached into, or rather my back routes are being encroached into by the development of nice tarmac roads. Well, I may sound like I am negative, but development comes at a cost. There were some green plants here, nice vegetation, but it's now gone. There were some nice beautiful trees growing there. That's last year. And now there are no more. Well, I think I'll just have to find some new back routes to do my adventures on, since this one is going to get tarmacked soon. That's my bike there. Yes, River Nyamindi generally flows from northeast, from that way going down this way, and like 2 kilometers down this way there is a confluence with River Rupingazi that comes from the further east. Let's go explore it. At this point, my friend and dear viewer, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you very much for the support you have accorded my YouTube channel. I believe you are liking the video, and so far, if you are liking it, kindly hit the like button, share, and remember to subscribe. A subscription is free and it takes this channel a very long way. Thank you very much. River Nyamindi has been blocked completely so that the water is redirected to the farms to grow rice, and there is no water flowing downstream. Anyway, up this way about 2 kilometers upstream this way is where we have seen the bridge, and down that way about 40 meters is where the confluence is with Rupingazi. People normally say that the Nyamindi's riverbed has been cemented by God. Looks like concrete. Well, should you believe otherwise? That's up to you. No flow at all. All in the name of rice farming. So let's walk up this way and see if we can see the Rupingazi on the other side, and where they come together. And on this side is the Nyamindi. So it's Nyamindi here, Rupingazi there. So this is now the Rupingazi River here. Embu on the other side, and Kirinyaga South Ngariama on this other side. And you can see how much water there is on the Rupingazi simply because it's not drained a lot. And this is the Nyamindi coming from my right side. So going down that way now is the Rupingazi up to the point where we are going, where now the Rupingazi meets with the Dhiba from the west. I'll try to go back to where I have come, where I've parked the bike, and walk up to that part there. See if I can show you Nyamindi from this side and Rupingazi from this side. Bye bye, little Gertie. Thank you. Use this path here. Yeah, so this is the angle I wanted it from. Alright, so Rupingazi, that's where I was standing, and the Nyamindi. And so Rupingazi comes this way, Nyamindi comes this way, and they join and go down as the Rupingazi. Poor River Nyamindi. Oh, in the name of adventure, I get an attack of these pricky things. I just got to the confluence of River Dhiba and River Rupingazi, where across the other side is Embu, and this side, this is River Dhiba. You can see how dry the river is, though it just rained for the first time last night for this season. I'm walking on the riverbed, no water, but there seems to be an island here where the river comes from up that way. There is the island where you can see some sheep grazing. One of the river is passing here and the other one on the other side. I'll cross up to the other side. I am across, and on this other side there is some water. The bridge that has been constructed is upstream. Rupingazi is down there, upstream. The other river on the other side, that's Rupingazi. At the Nyamindi side is where the new bridge is going to be constructed, and probably that road will cross and come right through where I've parked the bike, cross the river right here, and go up that way. There is an official road somewhere where you can see those cows emanating from, and then it goes into the Embu side to connect with the road that comes from P. Iowa Momo. So right now let me walk over to the other side where the two rivers meet. There are some nice acacia trees where I left my bike. Something is running here. I don't know whether it's a snake. There it is, Mr. Lizard. So this is the confluence here. River Dhiba coming from that side. That is where I took the first few seconds. And going that way, there is another little island here where there is a bit of the river coming this way and the other bit going that way. Then there is Rupingazi coming from this other side. Let us walk to the Rupingazi River. That's such a fancy name, Rupingazi. In Kikuyu they call it Rupingazi. Yeah. So that's the Rupingazi. This side is Mbeere South. This side is Kirinyaga. That is Mwea, the Kiombo area. And also this side is Mbeere South. Nice place to swim. Rupingazi and the Nyamindi are famous for being, or rather they are notorious for having deep potholes. It's not a very clear confluence, eh? So so down that way is now the main river Dhiba, where it goes on to the Masinga Dam. I'm going to follow it up to where it drains into the dam. And so coming from my right side is the Dhiba, and coming from my left side this way is the Rupingazi. I wonder whether the occupants of this nest are still here. Nobody home? No problem. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. The river looks quite calm and quite shallow, but judging from these deposits, the debris that has been deposited on this tree, I can almost say the river can get up to 15 feet deep. You can see all the way up there whenever it's full, and that's quite deep and quite vicious. Now done with the Dhiba Rupingazi, I'm going to follow the Dhiba down to where it joins the Sagana, or rather the Tana, at the Masinga Dam. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and consider subscribing. In the next video, I got really thirsty. And I tried to scare the hell out of a stubborn duck.